Other news, and as some people are putting on their favorite jerseys and grabbing perhaps their rally towels, others are prepping for this big game in a different way.
Much different way. Getting BOTOX. Houston's only TV health reporter Haley Hernandez joining us now. So this seems to be a trend surrounding the World Championship Games.
Exactly. So anytime there's been a big event in Houston, think about the rodeo, the Super Bowl, both men and women want to look their best. And after a long time, think of how long it's been since we've had any big gatherings here. People are coming out this week to impress. I spoke to one dermatologist who says this week it's all about baseball and Botox.
Annie Durbin is here for a little around her lips and around her eyes.
I still want to look refreshed and rested and not look like I've spent the last year and a half just at home.
Dr. Sherry Ingraham says
the Zoom boom is real.
After everyone was staring at their own face and sometimes just their eyes, cosmetic eye procedures have exploded in popularity.
So it tends to show if we're dehydrated the most, if you were out at an Astros game, you had a couple of drinks, a little caffeine, you didn't sleep. It really is noticeable. Even in patients in their 30s and 40s, they're coming in and saying, what can I do for my under eyes? So we're doing a lot of resurfacing under the eyes, we're doing filler under the eyes, but especially a little Botox around the eye to open up the eye.
Ideally, Ingraham says, come in 6 months before a big event. But Botox and lip injections are two things that you can get results with fast. Just beware.
If you have a party that night, you may be a little swollen. Some people like the way it looks a little swollen. You may get a little bruising, but you can cover it up with lipstick.
Bruising is exactly why she does not recommend fillers under the eye before a party. But Botox, Durbin says, has the perfect amount of pick-me-up.
I will have that rested, sort of just look like I took a really nice nap and I look really rested, which always makes me feel really good because I'm not very well rested.
All right, and if you want to know a secret about getting bruising to go down, Dr. Ingraham says eat pineapple. She says it contains bromelain, which many people take in supplements because it does reduce bruising, but she says that you can get the same amount from eating pineapple every day after your procedure. Also, before any procedures, she says you want to stop taking aspirin or fish oil or drinking alcohol because those may make you bruise as well. Chris, Lauren?